Seventh one, to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So concentration of SO2 is given, then frequency is also given there. We are asked to find out the mean concentration in the air. Okay, sulfur dioxide. Okay, now you can use any method. Here first let us draw the table. The table we made, so 0.00 to 0.04, that frequency is F. Like that we have prepared the table. Now x I you have to mark, class mark, that is 0 to 0.4 divided by 2, that is 0.02 you will get. Next one 0.06, then 0.10. Now here it is 444, it is increasing, that like that you can complete that one. So 14, then 18, then 20, (22), sorry, like that you can do that one. Now here you can use the same method, that is step deviation method. So H will be, A is our 0.10, H is 0.04, difference between these two. Okay, now what will be our X size? X size will be 0.2 minus 0.10 by this one, so it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 you will get. Now multiply. -2 into 4, 8, -8, -1 into 9, -9, then 0, then 2, 8 and 6 you will get. Adding these three values, 16 you will get, and here you will get -17. Now add these two, sigma FIUI will be equal to -1. Now apply in the formula. X bar is equal to A plus H into sigma FIUI by sigma Fi. So A is our 0.10, H is 0.04, -1 by Fi is given there 30, no? 30 localities, so it is 30. So -1 into this one, so divide and divide and see. 0.04 divided by 30 it will come. Okay, so first in this one it will not go. Then 40 one time, then 10 it will come 3 times, so it will go on like that. Okay, so it is negative quantity. 0.10 minus 0.013333 like that it will go, no? Now here you are getting 0.001333 like that it will move. Subtracting you are getting 0.0987. If you want you can round off that to 0.099 like that, because 7 is more than 5, so you can round off that to next digit. So that is up to that ppm it will come. Okay, now the next one, 8th question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. So number of days it is given, number of students also given there. You are asked to find out mean number of days. Okay, so let us prepare the table, then we'll solve the sum. Now 8th one, 06, then 610, then 14, 1420, then 2028, 2838, then 3840. Now 11, then 7, 4, again 4, 3 and 1. Now here you will we will be using that first method of assumed assumed mean method, because here class intervals are not same. In the first class interval it is 6, but in this one 4, again 4, here 6, then 8, then 10, 2 like that. Different class intervals are there, so we'll use that one, the first method, that is FIDI. Okay, so xi first you make 0 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 6 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 8, 10 plus 14 divided by 2, 12, then 14 plus 20 divided by 2, 34 by 2, 17, then 48 divided by 2, 24, then 28 plus 38 divided by 2, 33, now comes 39. Okay, now di only you are finding out. Di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, so let us take a as 17. So our a is equal to, assumed mean is equal to 17. No h's we are not doing that UI method because here class intervals are different. So di, when you are finding out xi minus a, that is 7 minus 3 minus 17, that is 14, negative 14. Then 8 minus 17, negative 9. Then 12 minus 17, negative 5. Then 0. 24 minus 17, 7. 33 minus 17, then 39 minus 17. Okay. Now FIDI you find out. 14 into 11, 154 you will get. 9 into 10, 90. 7 into 5, 35. So total you are getting 279. Okay. Now here 4 into 7, 28. So here 0. 16 into 3, 48. Then 22 into 1, that is 22. So when you are adding this one, 8, 9, 98 you will get. Now when you are adding these two numbers, sigma FIDI will be 181, negative 181. Okay. Now we are using the method x bar is equal to a plus sigma FIDI by sigma Fi. We are not using h, so you don't have to multiply with h. Okay. Now here a is 17, so 17 plus negative 181 by total was 40. No, f was 40. So 181 divided by 40 you will get 181 by 40. So it is 4, 160, 21. Then 5, 200, then 280, like that it will go. Again 5 it will come. Okay. So 17 minus 4.525 you will get 17. 17 minus 4.525, 5, then 7, again 4, then 6, so 12.475 you will get. Okay. Here why we use this method, because here class intervals are different, so please note that one. When class intervals are not same, so you have to use which method? This method, otherwise it will be very difficult because h is not constant. So if you are taking, what should you take as h? So better to do this by this method. Okay. So not this sum. Ninth one, you see, the following table gives the literacy rate of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So here let us prepare the table. So 45, 55, 55, 65 it is given there. ninth one, 55, 55, 65, 65, 75, then 75, 85, then 85, 95. So frequency 3, 10, 11, 8 and 3. So first find out xi. 45 plus 55 divided by 2. So 45 plus 55, 100 divided by 2, 50. Then 55 plus 65, 120 divided by 2, 60. Here it will be 70, then 80, then 90 it will come. Okay. Now here we can find out ui, because see this one 65 to 55, 10, 75 to 65, 10. So h is same, so you can find out xi minus a, let us take that one as 70. So xi minus 70 by h, that is 10. So 50 minus 70 by 10, that is negative 2. Again negative 1, 0, 1 and 2 you will get. So FIUI will be equal to negative 2 into 3, negative 6, negative 1 into 10, negative 10, 0, then 8 and 6. Adding these two, 14, this two, negative 16 you will get. So sigma FIUI will be equal to negative 2, negative 16 plus 14, negative 2 you are getting. Now what was our A? A was 70, H was 10. So x bar, that is equal to A plus H into sigma FIUI by sigma FI, that is equal to 70 plus 10 into negative 2 by FI. FI was 35. Okay. So FI was 35 here. So 35. So 2 by 35 or negative 20 by 35 divide. You can divide this one 7 and 2. So negative 4 by 7 you will get 0.40. So 5 times 5, 9, 49, then 1 time like that it will go. So 70 minus 0.591, so 70.00, 0.591, so 9, 1, no, sorry, 0, then 4, then 9, 6, 69.409 or 69.40 you can put for 1 or like that it you can, if you are rounding off to 2 digit. Okay. So 9 problems are over. Now next video we will discuss mode of the group data, that is different from mean. So